Hey guys, haven't posted in probably a good week, so I posted about my dogs, but we're heading to Sparta, New Jersey tomorrow. So let me turn the camera around and show you guys what we got going on. All right, there we go. All right, I am waiting for a couple friends to come over and help load this. This is an 8x8. Gets a refrigerator and it's a huge roof. The roof without the thatch on it is right about 1,200 pounds. It's a big roof going on this one. So I got some friends coming over. We're going to load it on the flatbed trailer here. The other trailer way up there. That's all loaded with all the tools, all the roofing stuff, supplies, all that. But this bar was too big to get on the other trailer. So it's going on this one. All right, so we're heading out of here 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. And I don't know, maybe I'll make another video once it's on the trailer. But until then, we'll see you in Sparta, New Jersey.